Welcome to the assignment session of engineering graphics and CAD. So I will explain the first question. Yeah, this is check question number 3. The object is a triangular prism. Okay, so you have to create a triangular prism in Fusion 360. The dimension is given. The side of the object is 30 mm and the height, that means the length of the triangular prism is 50 millimeter. So you have to create this object, triangular prism with dimension 30 mm and length 50 mm. Okay, that is one assignment. Then the next question, that is question number 4. You have to create this object, cone 25 mm top diameter and 40 mm bottom diameter, frustum of a cone. You can see frustum of a cone placed centrally above a cylindrical block of 50 mm diameter and 25 mm thick, such that the solids have common axis. That means you can see there is a cylindrical, this is a cylindrical block, just rough drawing. Then on the top of the cylindrical block there is actually a frustum of a cone. Sorry, it's not correct, it's a rough drawing. Okay, so this is a rough drawing. So you have to create this object in Fusion 360. That is, there is a cylindrical block. On the top of the cylindrical block, so you can see there is a cylindrical block, and on the top of the cylindrical block there is a frustum of a cone. So you have to create this object in Fusion 360. That is one question. Then the next question is this question. Question number 6. So question number 6 is actually a square prism of side 40 mm and the length 60 mm. Okay, and a horizontal hole of 40 mm diameter. So there is a circular hole is drilled through the geometrical center of the prism, and there is a condition, the axis perpendicular to vertical plane. Okay, so the axis perpendicular to vertical plane means axis perpendicular to say vertical plane is the plane in your front side, that is called a vertical plane. So imagine the plane in your front, that is you can imagine your laptop screen will be the vertical plane. Okay, so that is the condition. So you have to draw a square prism, and in that square prism you have to insert a horizontal hole of 40 mm diameter. So this is the next question, this is the next assignment. Then the next one, that is question number 7. So a vertical cylinder, there is one vertical cylinder, and the height is given 70 mm and diameter is given 60 mm. And there will be another cylinder, that is called horizontal cylinder. Diameter is 40 and the height is 80. Okay, so that means there is one vertical, I will draw say a rough figure. So there will be one vertical cylinder and there will be one horizontal cylinder. So this is the vertical cylinder and this will be the horizontal cylinder. So you have to create this object in Fusion 360. This is the next assignment. Then okay, so that's all. The next question is question number 8. That is, there is no condition, you have to create this object. Question number 8 is pentagonal pyramid. You have to create a pentagonal pyramid in Fusion 360. The length is given 50 mm and base edge of the pentagonal pyramid is 25 mm. You have to create this object. You don't check all other conditions, you just create the 3D object of pentagonal pyramid with height 50 mm and edge length 25 millimeter. Okay, so that's assignment questions in from this question paper. Yeah, you can see the question paper is May 2019. This is the question paper. You can see this is the May 2019 question paper. So you have to complete all this from this question paper. Then the next question. This is the next question. Yeah. You have to create a square pyramid. You have to create a square pyramid of side 30 mm and a height 50 mm. You have to create this object, square pyramid. That is the next assignment. Then the next assignment is you have to create a cube, okay, such that the diagonal length of the cube is 80 mm. You have to create a cube in Fusion 360 such that the length of the solid diagonal is 80 mm. Okay, so this is the next assignment. Then the next step is you have to create the 3D image of a sphere over another sphere. That means here you can see, imagine there is a football. This is a football. On the top of the football, there is another say cricket ball. That means a sphere over another sphere. So the smaller diameter is 40. So this is the 40. This diameter is 40, and this diameter is 60. So you have to draw the 3D object in Fusion 360, a sphere over another sphere. This is the next assignment. Then the next assignment is you have to create this again. This is a cube. You have to create a cube. Here the length is given 65 mm. In the previous case, the solid diagonal is given. Here you have to create a cube of length 65 millimeter. Then the next thing is draw a pentagonal prism, base side 30 mm and height 70 mm. Okay, so this is the next assignment. Then the next assignment is create a square pyramid of base, edge 40 and height 80. So you have to create this 3D models in Fusion 360. So that's all about the assignments from May 2019 question paper. So check the question paper here. You can see this is May 2019 question paper. So you have to create these 3D models in Fusion 360. Then the next assignment, yeah, this is the next assignment. Again you have to check the year. You can see which year. So the year is May, June 2016. So you have to check this May, June 2016. Then the question number 3. So you have to create a square pyramid. The dimension is given. Side is 30 mm and axis length is 60. So you have to create this object, square pyramid 30 mm and axis length 60. That is the next assignment. Then the next one, yeah, this is the next one. The next object is a cylinder of diameter 50 and length of the axis 65 mm. And here you can see this object is cut with the help of a cutting plane such that it is inclined at 45 degree to HP and passing through a point on the axis 25 mm from the top. That means I will show you, this is the cylinder. I will show you the rough figure. This is the initial cylinder, you can see. Okay, so of diameter is 50 and height is 65. Then it is cut by, so this is the cutting plane. You can see I will cut this object into 2 pieces and this top portion is removed, and this is the cutting plane, and this inclination is 45 degree. Okay, you have to create the remaining object. Okay, so I will show you. So like this, you can see, yeah, this is the This is the final object. Okay, so this is the you have to create this object in Fusion 360. This object. Okay, not this object. You have to create this. You have to create this in Fusion 360. Then the next question is, you have to create a pentagonal prism of side 25 and height 50. You have to create a 3D model of pentagonal prism with side 25 mm and height 50 mm. That is the next question. Then the next assignment, yeah, this is the next assignment. Here again, you have to create the pentagonal prism of side 30 and height 70. You have to create this 3D object, pentagonal prism. Only you have to create that object. That's it. Then the next assignment is a right regular hexagonal prism. This is a hexagonal prism of side 30 and height 70. And there is actually a circular hole is actually drilled centrally through its along the axis. So you have to draw a hexagonal prism. In that hexagonal prism, there will be a circular hole. Okay, you have to create the 3D object. That is the next assignment. Then the next thing is you have to create the cone. So here you can see the object is a cone of base diameter 60 and axis length 70. Then here it is cut by a plane. So I will show you a rough picture. So here this is the cone. Okay, so this is the cone. So I will cut this object into two pieces. I will cut this object into two pieces, and you have to create the final object. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so this is the final object. You have to create this. Not this, you have to create this. Okay, so that is question number 6. You have to create this in Fusion 360. Then again, create a pentagonal prism as well as a square prism. So here also in the question number 7, here there is a pentagonal prism, and this is actually cut. There is a condition 45 degree. Okay, so you have to, I will show you the pentagonal prism first. I will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see there will be, I will roughly I will draw. Okay, you can see, yeah, this is. Then I will introduce a cutting plane. Then you have to draw the final object. Okay, I hope it's understood. Okay, so you have to draw this the remaining portion in Fusion 360. That is question number 7. Question number 8 is actually draw a square prism with the side 35 and the axis length 65. That's it. Okay, so remember you have to enter the question paper year. That is important. Then only I can identify. You have to in your assignment you have to enter the year. If the question is from December 2018, you have to mention this question is from December 2018. That is important. Okay, so that's all about December 2018 question paper. Then the next one, yeah, the next one is this question. Yeah, so first you have to create a cone, and diameter is given 40 and height is 60. You have to create this cone in Fusion 360. Then fourth question, you have to create a square pyramid of side 30 and height 60. Just you have to create that object, cone and square pyramid. That's it. Then the next one, yeah, this is the next question. So here a square prism is there, side is 40, height is 60, but this object is cut with the help of a cutting plane. So you have to draw the remaining portion of the square prism, not a full square prism. You have to draw the remaining portion of the square prism. If I will introduce the cutting plane, the top portion is removed. So what you have to draw the bottom portion of the square prism in Fusion 360. That is assignment number 5. Then the next question. Yeah, next question. Question number 6. So here you have to create a circular cone of diameter is given 60 and height is 64. Just just create the cone, the 3D shape of the cone of base diameter 60 and height is 64 mm. Okay. Then question number 7, a sphere is there over a hexagonal slab. So you have to draw a hexagonal slab. On the top of the hexagonal slab, there will be a sphere. You have to create this object in Fusion 360. That is the next assignment. Then the next assignment is question number 8. Here is a hemisphere. You have to draw a what is actually hemisphere? You have to cut a sphere, you will get the hemisphere. And this hemisphere is on the top of the frustum of a cone. So this hemisphere is actually on the top of the frustum of a cone. You have to create the 3D model of this combination. So imagine a hemisphere on the top of the frustum of a cone. The next question, you have to create a square prism of base 40 and height 60. You have to create this object. That is the next assignment. Okay, so that's all about the course assignment. You have to create this as your final course assessment. So when you prepare the assessment, make sure that the year, this is very, very important. You have to enter, suppose you are creating the 3D models of this December 2019 question paper. You have to mention this year in the assignment. Okay, otherwise I can't understand which question paper, which question number, etc. Also make sure that you have to mention the question numbers. If this is question number 3, then you have to enter the question number as 3. And remember, this is important. You have to enter the year. December, if question paper is December 2019, you have to enter December 2019. So this is your final course assessment of CAD using Fusion 360. So with this, I will stop today's session. Thank you.